First up this evening, Jamaicans are being warned to brace for an increase in their electricity bills as the USA and Israel's war on Iran intensifies. In a statement on Wednesday, the Jamaica Public Service says global oil prices have continued to skyrocket due to the war, and so customers are likely to start feeling the pinch in the coming months. This is the message JPS has been sending to customers since Wednesday. It says because of the ongoing conflict in the Middle East, global oil prices have risen from about $60 per barrel in December 2025 to $100 in March 2026. Consequently, customers are likely to see higher fuel charges on their electricity bills in the coming months. The power company indicated that just like at the pumps, the fuel prices on electricity bills change on real current market prices. And so when prices go up globally, customers will pay more for electricity, and when prices go down, it would also be reflected on your monthly bills. The statement also said JPS does not profit from the fuel charges. It is directly passed down from the suppliers to customers. Now, all this is not unique to Jamaica. Electricity providers across the world have been advising customers that the ongoing conflict will impact electricity costs over the coming months. In African countries like South Sudan and Mauritius, measures have been imposed to restrict electricity consumption. South Sudan has begun rationing electricity in the capital Juba, while Mauritius has imposed restrictions to reduce waste, especially in high power consumption areas. Americans were also warned to look out for an increase in their bills. Locally, JPS has not indicated how significant the increase will be, but going forward, the company says it will be working with the Office of Utilities Regulation to introduce a fuel stabilization mechanism.